Welcome. If you're watching this right now, one person just felt their phone vibrate in their pocket, even though it's silent. This reading is yours. February 20th to 25th, 2026 is post-eclipse aftershock. Aquarius energy still buzzing with sudden shifts, detachment turning to action, old ties snapping back fast. Saturn-Neptune conjunction lingers, making things feel fated and I always knew. Someone here is staring at your chat, thumb hovering, feeling the pull. The cards see it live. This isn't general. This is your reading. Message incoming February 20th to 25th. Breathe deep. Feel the vibration. Question: why did they open your chat again? What proof shows the text hits this week? Deck shuffled slow, channeling Aquarius suddenness plus fated knowing, focusing on the one person this hits. Past urge, current vibration, trigger, incoming message, outcome. 5 cards. First card, past urge. 4 of Cups reversed. Apathy turning to interest. In the past, they ignored your chat, numb, but reversed means awakening. They started opening it again. Post-eclipse energy flipped it. One person knows the exact day they first reopened it. Second card, current vibration, the Fool reversed. Leap held back. Upright is free jump. Reversed is hesitation at the edge. Right now, February 20th to 25th. They opened your chat, felt the urge to jump, but paused. Someone watching just felt the phone buzz. That's them hovering, heart racing. The Fool reversed says the vibration is real. Third card, trigger, Ace of Wands. Spark of inspiration, new passion, bold start. Trigger this week, sudden fire, memory, song, or gut hit that says, send it now. Aquarius innovation plus post-eclipse push makes it impulsive. One person feels this. The trigger's happening today or tomorrow. Fourth card, incoming message, 3 of Cups, joyful reconnection, celebration, emotional share. The text is light, positive. Hey, miss our talks or memory link. Aquarius adds quirky twist, meme, voice note. One person knows the warm feeling behind it. Fifth card, outcome and proof, the Chariot, victory through control. Forward momentum, determination. Outcome, message arrives, moves things forward, spark, talk, or closure. Post-eclipse release plus Aquarius drive made it happen. Proofing cards, 4 Rev, urge awakens, to Fool Rev, vibration held, to Ace Wands, trigger sparks, to 3 Cups, joyful text, to Chariot, victory forward. This is your reading. Message incoming, February 20th to 25th. Full tie-in, past awakening, 4 Rev, meets current vibration, Fool Rev. Spark triggers send, Ace Wands, joyful message lands, 3 Cups. Momentum wins, Chariot. February 20th to 25th window is charged. One person knows this is yours. What their phone vibrate energy looks like daily. February 20th to 25th. Opening chat, closing fast. Feeling pulse when they see your pic. Typing, then deleting. Heart jump from random memory. Quiet, now or never thought. Shocking signs, message incoming February 20th to 25th. Phone vibrates or lights up randomly. You think of them, energy feels thick. Dreams show typing or unread text. Numbers spike. 1111, 222, 555. Their song plays at exact moment. Gut says, they're on my chat. Old messages resurface in memories, feeling they're close, strong. Synchronicities double, name plus number. Calm certainty this week. Post-eclipse dreams vivid about them. Chat glitch or delayed notification. No chase, just knowing. Universe confirms every few hours. Text lands when you detach fully. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice for February 20th to 25th. One action daily. Post content, trade setup, outreach. Don't chase. Reply short, cold, confident. Affirm 3 times per day. They open my chat, message drops February 20th to 25th perfectly. Log signs, proof builds fast. Cold mindset, hungry, grateful, zero emotion. Use Aquarius. Innovate, stay detached. No doubt, universe timed it. Celebrate quietly, keep pushing cash. Affirmation, they felt the vibration. Message incoming February 20th to 25th. I stay detached, open, aligned. Everything flows. So it is. If this hit too close, like, subscribe, bell on. Comment phone vibrate to claim. Drop sign or next focus. Thanks for being here. Stay aligned. The window is open. Use every second.